This is the Zeus Mini Magnetic Swivel Clip Light. This is the same, almost similar clip light as what was released with the GoPro Hero version 8. It's waterproof, 33 feet, never tested it out before. It's rechargeable. With this clip, it has a 360-degree rotation, and it is completely GoPro mounts compatible. So what I wanted to do was to not just, I already have one of these lights, I actually do like it. It's really, really tiny, but this will also attach magnetically, and also since it's compatible with all other GoPro mounting stuff, I can attach a GoPro on here as well. So that's the idea behind this. The best deal, of course, right now for this is to get it with GoPro Hero Plus, and this, unlike the previous release of GoPro mods, this seems to be in stock more than the other stuff. So let's take a look, see what's going on here. Basically, it combines their magnetic clip mount thing with the Zeus, or the Zeus Mini, along with this. This is the main piece that I don't remember whether or not was available, but so this piece is relative new. Basically, it's a mini hot shoe mount is all this is, attached with a GoPro mount. So regular hot shoe or cold shoe mount attached to a GoPro mount, like so. And then this will then attach here. And then this will, of course, attach your regular GoPro right here. And this has a magnet on this side. As you can see, there's a little magnetic symbol right here. And then this could be useful to, attach to anything that is metallic, or basically or steel, basically steel related. What I like about the original GoPro mounts is they also include this rubber holder, whatever you want to call it. I actually don't remember what the official term is, but there is one of there. And this way it ensures that it does not fall out of the mount when you lock it in place. It takes a little bit of effort to put it in there, but it's definitely well worth it to make sure that you don't actually lose your GoPro, or it doesn't dismount from your GoPro. It comes with this relatively heavy duty. This is different from this because this looks comically large, whereas this is more in line with the size of something this small and tiny. That just attaches like so. And of course, likewise, because this light is just a little cold shoe thing, you can attach other cold shoe mountable items to this and just make it GoPro mount compatible. Now, if only I can remember how to remove this. Oh, you know what? I put this in the wrong way. So this is one thing you want to be more careful about, is when you're putting this mount in, you don't want to put it in the wrong way or you'll lock it in place. So now I got to get a little screwdriver there and just poke it in there. Oh, wow, this is going to be really annoying. Kind of like a little bit of a design snafu that you just got to be aware of. Oh, come on. There we go. Make sure you put it in the right way. Put it in the light facing the GoPro symbol, and you should be okay. This charges, of course, via USB-C. And from my recollection, it is actually a pretty powerful light. Details, I believe, is at least 100 lumens, 110 lumens, maybe more than that, actually, in the various different modes that it has. Details about that on the screen now. That's it for this Zeus Mini. This would just clip onto a shirt or anything, really. Backpack strap, pretty common way to go. And of course, you get their standard USB-C charging cable right here. This is the same charging cable as included with these other GoPro products as well. This diffuser is definitely nice when you're holding up the GoPro really close to it. And that's everything that's included with the Zeus Mini. Please give it a like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video.